Welcome to another Capital Taxes Incorporated production. Navigating the Maze, a guide to the 2023 tax brackets for individuals and self-employed. Tax season can be a daunting time, filled with paperwork, calculations, and that nagging feeling you might be missing something. This year, with the implementation of the new 2023 tax brackets, the landscape has shifted just a bit. Knowing where you stand in this updated terrain can make all the difference, so buckle up as we break down the changes and guide you through filing season with confidence, whether you're an individual taxpayer or a self-employed entrepreneur. First things first, let's dispel a common misconception. The overall structure of the tax brackets remains unchanged for 2023. We still have the familiar 7 rungs on the ladder, ranging from the 10% rate for lower incomes to the 37% peak for the highest earners. However, the key change lies in the adjustment of the income thresholds for each bracket, reflecting inflation and ensuring fairness across taxpayers. Understanding the shifts. For individual filers, the good news is that the income thresholds for entering lower tax brackets have increased. This means more taxpayers stand to pay less in taxes compared to 2022. For example, the first bracket, taxed at 10%, now applies to income under $11,000, up from $10,275. Similarly, the 12% bracket extends to $44,725, offering further tax relief to middle-income earners. For self-employed individuals, the adjustments apply similarly. However, keep in mind that your taxable income might differ from your gross income as you can deduct business expenses. Regardless, the revised brackets still hold the potential for tax savings depending on your income level. Navigating the implications. So, what does this all mean for you? Here are some key points to consider. 1. Check your bracket. Determine your filing status, single, married, filing jointly, etc., and locate your income on the relevant bracket table. This will tell you which tax rates apply to different portions of your income. 2. Recalibrate your withholding. If you're an employee, consider adjusting your W-4 form to ensure the right amount of tax is withheld throughout the year. This can avoid surprises come filing season. 3. Maximize deductions. Self-employed individuals, remember to claim all eligible business expenses to reduce your taxable income. Consulting a tax professional can help ensure you're not missing out on valuable deductions. 4. Plan for the future. Utilize the updated brackets to estimate your potential tax liability for future income and adjust your financial planning accordingly. Beyond the brackets. While the new brackets simplify the overall picture, remember that taxes are a complex beast. Here are some additional aspects to keep in mind. 1. Standard deduction. The standard deduction for individuals has also increased for 2023. This amount, if claimed, reduces your taxable income further. 2. Tax credits. Various tax credits can significantly lower your tax bill. Explore whether you qualify for any applicable credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit. 3. Seek professional help. If you have complex finances or feel overwhelmed, consider consulting a tax professional. They can help you navigate the intricacies of the tax code and optimize your return. Conclusion. While the arrival of new tax brackets may feel like a hurdle, it can also be an opportunity to understand your tax situation better and potentially save money. By staying informed, utilizing available resources, and taking proactive steps, you can conquer the maze of tax season and emerge victorious, with a clearer understanding of your finances and a lighter tax burden. So, breathe easy, embrace the changes, and let's file those returns with confidence. That's all for today's topic. Note, this video is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute professional tax or legal advice. Consult a qualified tax professional or attorney for specific guidance tailored to your situation. This video is brought to you by Capital Taxes Incorporated. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.